Michelle Rodriguez has never shied away from taking things to the extreme, but now she's opening up about how she's coped with the death of Paul Walker and how she's jealous he died before her. She tells TMZ that she tried the powerful psychedelic drug ayahuasca, and the trip made her come in tune with how she truly felt about his death. She reportedly says, "I did everything I could possibly do to hide from myself. I'll tell you that my ayahuasca trip made me sad that he left me here. It wasn't sadness that he's gone, it was more like a jealousy that he's there first." The sudden and tragic loss of Paul Walker saddened and shocked everyone in Hollywood, especially those who worked closely with him like Michelle did. She says, "When I lost Paul, I went through about a year of just being like an animal, like what I could do physically to just get my mind of existentialism, how we come here and could just disappear at any moment." We're glad Michelle's still around to share her experiences.